Hello, everybody. September arrived, and I suddenly realized that September in Norway is not the same as the September somewhere in Spain or France. I realized that sailing in September in Norway is not as pleasant as sailing in July or even in August. So, unfortunately, I decided to take a break until May. And especially regarding since hunting season started in September, as always, I will be spending the entire fall in the forest and mountains, gathering the autumn harvest of birds, fish, mushrooms, berries. So if you are not interested, then skip my autumn video reports. And then there will be probably winter videos about my winter hikes, trips, and adventures. Then spring come, and I promise you, definitely promise you, in May I start my Proa building my Proa reports again. But I hope most of you will spend some time watching my videos. So that's all for today and see you next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.